In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase row height in Smartsheet. If you've ever had text look cramped or cut off, a quick way to give your rows more breathing room is to make the text larger. In Smartsheet, row height naturally expands to fit the content and the font size, so increasing the text size is a straightforward way to make a row taller while keeping everything clean and readable. Start by heading to smartsheet.com in your browser. Sign in if prompted, and you'll land on the home experience. From here, click Browse on the left side. Browse is where you can quickly find your existing sheets, so use it to locate the sheet you want to adjust. Once you see it, open your sheet to work in the grid. Next, select the row you want to make taller. The easiest way is to click the row number on the far left. That highlights the entire row. If you only click inside a single cell, the formatting will affect just that cell, so make sure the whole row is selected before you continue. You'll see a clear highlight that confirms the row is active. With the row selected, look to the formatting toolbar at the top of a Smartsheet and find the font size control. Click it and choose a larger size. As you bump the size up, the text grows, and you'll notice the row height expand automatically to fit the new typography. Pick a size that looks balanced for your data. You don't need to go overboard, just enough to improve visibility and spacing. If you're adjusting a header row or a section you want to stand out, a slightly larger font can help create a clear visual hierarchy. For regular data rows, a modest increase is often all you need. If the row looks too tall afterward, simply reduce the font size to bring it back down. Remember, zooming in your browser doesn't change row height. Only the font size or the amount of wrapped content does, so use the font size control for consistent, sheet-wide results. If you don't see a change, double check that the entire row is selected via the row number and try again. And if the sheet feels uneven because some rows use different sizes, repeat the same adjustment on those rows for a consistent look. When you're satisfied, save your sheet to keep the changes. That's all there is to it. Go to Smartsheet, click Browse, open your sheet, select the row, and increase the font size to make the row taller. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.